How can I update a source file, with classes, in interactive Python? Simple Python question. When in interactive mode, I'm test an imported file, let's say I use. But in the same time I edit the code. How can I update the script which is once loaded into interactive Python? When I try to re-import it, nothing happens and I'm still on my old files. Thanks for any help. Edit? Okay, as I understand reload module name works fine, but what if I'm trying to reload a class with its methods? As it's written in documentation. If a module instantiates instances of a class, reloading the module that defines the class does not affect the method definitions of the instances, they continue to use the old class definition. The same is true for derived classes. But there's no word how to update a class methods. Any idea? The answer's here. How to reload the code of a method of class object in Python. No more question as everything works fine now, smile.
Did you take a look at this question? Reloading a changed Python file in Emacs Python shell. Libraries in your Python path can be easily updated with reload module name.
If you want to solve, it was your succeeding.